Today I'm talking about Competency Standard number 7, create deliverables that convey a design solution. This is something that you do every day because this is how we communicate with our clients, this is how we communicate with contractors, this is how we communicate with the public. Communications that are either written or drawn in models, maybe three-dimensional physical or three-dimensional in the computer. Some way we create things that we convey to other people so they can understand what's going on in our brains. What is the design all about? So the conveyance of those ideas is through these deliverables. There's 3 bullet points under competency number 7. Communicate the proposed design to clients and other stakeholders using appropriate responsive methods, written, verbal, graphic, modeling techniques, etc. All the drawing you do, everything that you do pretty much every day. This is where you will gather up the most experience points under the AXP. Getting the tasks you need to do this is not very difficult because we just do this all the time. The next one, develop comprehensive coordinated instruments of service, plans, sections, elevations, and/or details, models, etc. that convey the design intent and project requirements, can be used to obtain approvals and permits, and guide the construction of a project. Instruments of service are the documents, the legal communications. Instruments of service are clearly defined in the AIA contracts and in most contracts that any architect is using. The third bullet point, develop specifications that describe the materials, qualitative requirements, and execution. The 3-part specs that we often defer to others or automate or use templates. Specifications are an important part of communicating our ideas because they're a little bit more about the nuance of the design. As we develop with AI, we're going to get a lot more automation with specifications, with construction documents. It doesn't mean that you're not doing those, that they're not important, because now what's more important is understanding the content, not just executing them, drawing them, writing them, but actually reading and understanding those documents, whether you're drawing by hand or on a computer or creating models and then printing onto paper or printing onto PDFs or however it's being communicated, doesn't really matter. What matters is the content, the instruments of service, the conveyance of communication. That's what this competency standard is all about. Create deliverables that convey a design solution.